So this is probably gonna go up in the morning, but I'm hoping to get some good lightning action out here. It's currently raining. Probably be able to hear. It's really starting to rain. Hoping to get some lightning action out here. There has been some, but I haven't seen any now. It's just dark. It's supposed to last for a few hours. The dog's at least okay, which is good. He's good with storms, just it's fireworks that get him. Come on, thunder. There we go. There's some lightning. Oh, I've been waiting for this all day. I really like lightning. You hear that? I hope you guys can hear that. I got my coat on. It's like 1:30 in the morning. Come on, where's the lightning? Show me the lightning. I'm glad my phone's waterproof. Let's just switch hands because I'm getting water up my arm. I'm gonna stare just for a couple more minutes because I can't get my phone too soaked. Even though it is kind of waterproof. But you can probably hear the rain. You can't see much, I apologize. I'm just, it's 1:30 in the morning, it's dark. My shoes are getting soaking wet. I'm getting soaking wet. But I'm hoping for that beautiful lightning to strike. Come on, lightning. Oh, it's really starting to pour. Shit. I mean, stink. I apologize. Come on, just one more and I'll go inside. Oh, it's so awesome. Okay, yeah. It's really coming down now. Alright, it's time for me to go inside. You can see how much it's raining right now. Yep. Things I do to see some lightning, man. Well, you're getting a Saturday video, a short one, but you're getting one. Hope I can win me one more lightning before I go in. Come on, one more lightning before I get inside. My feet are soaking wet. Alright, well, Kid Charming out. I hope you enjoy.